guys, what's up? Now this is Sanjay Lunia, and in this video I'm gonna give you one guideline to live your life to the best. So this is related to games. I'm in the world of games and not the Games of Thrones exactly. The game, the normal video games which we love to play when we were child. I mean which we loved to play. So before watching this video, I want you to keep your defense mechanism, that is when you get offended or when you are depressed, to keep it aside, to say bye bye defensive mechanism or bye bye depression. So when you are listening to me, just enlarge your mind, calm your heart and just focus on what I am speaking. So now let's start with the topic, play Nintendo. Do you know the game Nintendo, which is popularly known as Mario, Super Mario? So when I was a child, I used to see my elders, I mean my sisters playing it. So like in that game we have turtles and we the Mario ourselves. So that we have two options in that game, either to kill the turtle or else to jump up over the turtle or else to jump on the block, I mean the block, something like that, brown block. So we have to select any one option, and later we can go into more harder and harder levels. The last level, I guess it's of fire and no one has crossed it till now. It's my childhood experience. So now coming to this game, it contains 3, but now the games which they are like GTA Vice City, GTA San Andreas, they are such typical games like you can type Ctrl plus A plus Z and your character starts singing national anthem. Your character literally starts speaking national anthem. So now I want you to see your life like a game, a Super Mario game, in which you get lot of obstacles as you get in games. In games we can't control the obstacles, but we can overcome them. Like we can't say that turtle, don't come here, you go from here, I don't want you, you have my life. You can't. But they would be coming and you should be strong enough to bear them. That's why they enter your life. Yes, because the obstacles also think that you are capable of going through it. So they enter in your life like, okay, he is very strong, let me make him more strong, let me enter his life, let me make it more interesting, more cool, more exaggerated. So this is the reason why you face many obstacles. And sometimes we expect to control people and situations. So people, as you know, there are 7 billion people on this earth and no one is exactly the same. Everyone have their different hobbies, different backgrounds, different beliefs, etc. So coming to this, expect people they are totally different from each other. Actually we can say that the fingerprint doesn't match. So how could you say anything other thing could match? We think like we can control the people, but it's not always true. We can only control ourselves. Neither situations nor people will be under our favor, but the situations will be under the favor of everyone. People, they will be under the favor of themselves, like they will always go towards them only. They will never support you or they'll never help you out really. Like they have a mutual benefit if they help you, like the Muthoot Finance, mutual benefits. And the situations, they arise like something like the birds in the morning. Sometimes they go too high that you feel very happy, and sometimes they go too low that you feel sad. So people and situations you are never gonna control. You are gonna control only yourself, like the game Super Mario, in which we can control only ourselves. So guys, I request you not to have an expectation that you can control the people, you can control the situations and you can control the whole messed world, like what Hitler thought or Alexander thought. You can control only yourself, and when you are under your control, you can overcome depression, sadness, some extraordinary feelings, some obsession, some offensive feeling, racism, and many other things. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you will be waiting for the next video. Thanks for watching.